Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to show world clock weather information on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is click the digital clock widget on your home screen to proceed to word clock. And okay guys, here below you can see the alarm, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to show word clock weather information. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to word clock. And okay guys, here in word clock, okay, you can see the Tokyo clock and the Hong Kong clock. And okay guys, here there are no weather information. And okay guys, to show weather information here, okay, you'll have to do is click the three dot on the right side on your screen. And the pop-up will show, and okay, click settings. And okay guys, here and clock settings, okay, you can see the word clock and the show weather information. And okay guys, on the right side you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to show the weather information in your word clock, okay, you'll have to do is enable the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, go back. And okay guys, okay, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is enabled to show or to connect to weather information. And okay guys, that's it. You can see the weather information of this word clock. And okay guys, we have successfully showed the word clock weather information on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.